Get over it.
Get over it.
He'll get over it.
Don't worry about it. He'll get over it.
It'll take years to get over it.
You use me as bait?
Get over it.
Would you just get over it? It's not like you imprinted on her.
Oh, get over it. It was years ago.
300 years ago. Get over it. You have to get over it. Life goes on.
Don't worry, my darling. I'm sure your friend will get over it.
Teddy's pretty devastated about your death.
She'll get over it.
I'm sorry about this.
We'll get over it. I love you.
You are not going to marry my daughter.
Why? Because she's a tick younger than me? Get over it.
You think Jack will get over it? You think he'll decide to go back to Edinburgh?
Be nice, Phil. He's extra sensitive tonight.
Get over it. He's your father-in-law. He's supposed to hate you.
This is my canoe, and you will journey to different...
All right, get over it. We gotta move.
I'm sorry we lost her father. We'll never get over it, but it's okay. There are greater forces at work.
I wasn't going to tell anybody. I just need to know the truth.
Can't you just thank me and get over it?
Thank you.
What the hell are you doing up there?
I'm just so happy that we're keeping these drugs off the street.
Well, get over it. They're going right back out again.
Why?
I did. I was with Paul for a few nights because he's romantic and he speaks French and you were always working and maybe it's the mystique of this corny city, but get over it, Gil.
We have a confirmed hit. Target was destroyed.
You'll get over it. I seem to recall you prefer to work alone.